base camp. Elevation 120 feet. Actually, this creek that we see here very soon gets into the Fraser River. That very kinda soon gets into the Pacific Ocean. I'm doing a cleanup here. That's why the extra mess is going on. Gotta get some air into that fire. I'm unable to do good chopping of wood due to an injury. So I do what I get by with what I can get by with. Yeah, so this is a nice smoker. See, I just grabbed lots of tidbits of these kind of twigs around too. And drop them inside. And that piece of bark, you kind of just set it in a way where it dries well, and then it eventually ignites. Get by with very minimal wood, actually. Works like a fireplace a little bit. Gives me an idea, actually. Well, back to relaxation.